What if AI could help you budget, save, and plan your money without complicated finance skills? Most people quit budgeting because it's confusing, time-consuming, and easy to mess up. AI changes this by analyzing your spending, organizing your finances, and giving clear suggestions. You can use AI-powered spreadsheets or tools like ChatGPT to create smart budgets that update automatically. AI can categorize spending, spot bad habits, and even alert you when you overspend. AI can suggest realistic saving goals, predict future expenses, and explain investment options in simple terms. Tools like ChatGPT, Google Sheets with AI formulas, and finance apps now make smart money planning accessible to everyone. If you want to stop guessing and start controlling your money, AI is the easiest place to start.